scanning all of my notes from my financial coach master training. Making them all digital so that I always have access to them. I got this notebook. I took notes for all 14 lessons, and then I got like some printouts that they give you. So I'm scanning all this, making it digital so that I can have copies of it. But I haven't used a laptop, so I'm gonna have to hook this up to this to my desktop computer, because this is the only duplex scanner that I have. This one only scans single-sided. So with this one, I can just run it through there and duplex it and save it all in one file. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'll put you on time lapse. It's nice to have this TV up here hooked up to my computer as well, because when you're looking at diagrams or anything, you can blow it up pretty big. I got pretty much every manual of a machine that I work on, I scan it with that scanner, then I save it as a PDF so that I can always reference it. I got created a system for my back end. That's not it. So once I log into that, pull that up here, minimize this. Pull that up there. I can log in. I got all my open requests, completed ones. I don't keep it updated as often as I should, but I got the manuals of pretty much any machine that I work on. I got the manuals in here. Once I work on it one time, that way I can always go back and reference it. I got all these scanned onto my server. I always have them in one place, and it tells you. Like this is the Wascomat TD75, but with the old style dryer, they got the new ones too. I haven't really worked on a new one lately, so I don't have that one in here, but pretty much every manual that I grab, I scan it when I have it in my hand, so that I can, or either download it off their website, the manufacturer's website. Then I upload it on here, and then I always have it. And this is the system I created to keep up with my customers and service calls, and not really sure what else I'm going to do with it, but I don't do my invoicing from here, but I do keep up with pretty much all my service list. When I get a call, I try to put it on there. Well, you can take it. What is that in your hand?
Bibles.
Bibles. Where are we going this morning?
To take pictures and go to trash.
Yep. Asher, you ready, buddy?
I'm ready. I'm ready for the first day.
Where are we going today, buddy? What are we going to do later after church?
Read a Bible. Take pictures.
Yeah, we're going to go get pictures taken. Are you excited, Maria?
I hope we go. I didn't know if we were going to a abandoned house.
We're not going to abandoned house.
I don't like those. I don't even like them.
There's Christina. Hey, Christina.
Hi, Dad.
Where are we headed to?
Church.
And then where?
Grandma's house.
And then where?
Pictures.
Yep. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug?
And then work.
See, she does love me. Can I have a hug? Priscilla, she's just being mad this morning for some reason.
Mad.
At least my oldest gave me a hug. My oldest Christina never gets in the videos. She's always working.
Yeah. Imagine working. I got $30 for that.
They love each other
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Do I?
Asher, what are you doing, buddy? You watching Cars?
That's Matt.
That's Mac. What are you doing? You wanna dance? Show me your dance. Asher, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm beating my cat. But you can't do it after he's playing truck. Maybe after you can do it after I'm watching video again. You can do it.
Okay. What are you doing, buddy?
Daddy, you can do it. I'm beating the truck. You can do it.
You gonna dance?
See if he notices. We're gonna see if he notices it from here. Wait, how do I tell if it's recording? How do I tell if it's recording?
It is.
Oh. Thought it was a prank.
Heading up to Pilot Mountain State Park. Walking up to a little lookout. It's I'm out of shape, so I probably sound out of breath. My dream is to build a house where this mountain's in my backyard, where I can sit on the porch and back porch and look at the mountain. Gonna go take pictures too, so I'm gonna get all nice and hot and sweaty. If you ever watch Andy Griffith, they call this Mount Pilot. Out of shape. Missed a step. Top, up in the mountain. Such a cool area. That's Startown Mountains over there. It's the only mountain range in the world that's contained in one county, Stokes County. It's a highway. Now I'm headed back down. Gonna take some pictures.
Oh no, I'm watching you.
Is his name Sewell?
Sable.
Sable. I thought you said.
Is he a brown kid? Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty dog. Puppy. Little slip. Sorry. No, you're fine. These rocks are slip. Got my Irish setter boots on. The wedge sole, they're not very, don't have a lot of grip on this, these slippery rocks. Oh, I gotta lose weight, I'm out of shape. Which way, which way? Got all kind of trails around here. Good old Pilot Mountain, Mount Pilot, as Andy Griffith would call it, Mount Pilot. I used to live in this town. I'm looking to either move back to this town or Pinnacle or Shoals, somewhere around that area where I can get a good view of this mountain in my backyard. Sit on, build me a nice big old back deck. Maybe screen it in, I'm not sure. Do that one day, hopefully, next 10 years. That's our goal. Y'all ready to take pictures? Are you ready to take pictures?
Hold the camera. I'll hold
You
it.
ready to take pictures, buddy?
I can hold the camera. Can you hold the camera?
Hold on, buddy. Heading to my mom's house to pick up our trailer. I keep it parked over there in her backyard because she's got a little bit more room. Although it's a very small trailer, it's a 5x8, so coming behind my truck, it looks really small. But I got to go tomorrow to Knoxville and pick up a little press that I bought, and then bring it back home and get it sold. I just replaced the screen on my iPhone 10 only 2 weeks ago maybe, and it wasn't even like 2 days later I dropped my 11 Pro on a curb and just destroyed the front of it. So got me a new $200 screen from Ace Tech. See how that does. See what's in the box. Toolkit. Tempered glass screen protector. And this is the screen. Got a seal for the screen. Here's the new screen. Alright, let's put this together.